Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Interactive Brokers? This is ticker IBKR. Now, IBKR is showing some pretty interesting relative strength here considering the S&P 500 and the Qs are pretty weak. We see IBKR in and around its 8-day exponential period moving average, and we see some pretty clear resistance right up here at around 130, just under 130. So the 129, 130 region right here has been tested over and over and over again, and it hasn't been able to get above. And so I definitely think that is a level we should keep an eye on here on Interactive Brokers. I'm going to set an alert on my software and look for a strong move through that zone coming on volume. Now, you could also keep an eye on this stock for it to find support around the 21-day exponential period moving average or that 50-day moving average right there if we do see this continue to consolidate. It tested that level here in late August. It wouldn't be out of the realm of possibility, especially if we continue to see market volatility for the 50-day or the 21-day to get tested. That could give you a bit of an early entry to get a starter in this stock and then look for that move above 130 coming on volume. Definitely keep an eye on Interactive Brokers. It's on my watch list tonight, and I'll be talking about it tonight with our members over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full list, take a trial. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.